What's up guys, this is Toy Scatter. Today, we'll open a giant Ariel surprise egg. This is made of 100% Play-Doh and it took me over 5 hours to make. So give me a thumbs up if you want me to continue making them. Let's meet some of the members from the Little Mermaid. This of course is Ariel, King Triton, her father, Ursula, and do you guys know the name of this dog? It belonged to Prince Eric. So let me know if you know his name. Say goodbye to Ariel now because we have to remove her in order to get to the surprises. First, let's start with the hair. There are so much hair. Look how much hair she got. Now it's just Ariel without hair. Look kind of weird. Let's get rid of her neck, her mouth, ear, nose. Now her eyes. We just left with her face. Now we just have a really messy green egg. Let's do a quick shake first. I can feel that there's a lot of stuff. Check that out. Tattoos, pop. Let's start with this one. This is a Disney Mystery Mini by Funko. Series 2. And the rarest ones you can get is this one and this one. 1 out of 144. This is my second Disney Mystery Mini. So last time I think I got Wreck-It Ralph. I got Wally this time. The chance of getting him is 1 out of 12. He's a common. I actually wanted to get Wally because I don't have any figure that is from Wally. So this is my first Wally figure, so I'm very happy for it. Let's put him next to Ariel. I see a figure here. I found a Princess Ariel figure. This time she's in a pink ball gown. So let's put her right here. Let's grab something from the side. This is Disney Princess Palace Pets Series 2. And you also get a free app with it. There's 10 pets to collect. Let's see which pet we get and which princess does it belong to. Hopefully it's Ariel. I got Sultan. He is a tiger. Which Disney princess do you think he belonged to? Let me know under the comment section. Let's put him next to Ursula. Hopefully she doesn't hurt him. Let's grab something over here. It's a My Little Pony blind bag. This is the latest one. And 24 to collect from this one. Let's see what we get this time. Always come with a car. Here is the 24 ponies you can get from this blind bag. And we got Pinkie Pie. I think I got a Pinkie Pie before, but I'm not sure if it's the exact one or not. You see, everything is pink. Her hair, her body, pretty much everything. Let's put her next to Sultan, the tiger. I see a Pez here, and it's a Ariel Pez. Have you guys seen a Pez before? You get this candy holder here, which they call it Pez holder. And you get a Pez to put in it. You guys want to see it? I'll show you right now. So every time you want a Pez, just go like this. Yummy. See? And this one is Ariel. Sorry, I'm still eating candy. Let's put Ariel Pez right here. I see something on the left side here. It's a Mulan McDonald toy. And these are all the one you can get. And we got this guy. Have you guys seen the movie Mulan before? This is General Lee from Mulan. He's a really good fighter. And eventually he married Mulan. Let's put him maybe behind Ariel here. Let's check out this thing right here. This is Disney Princess 50 tattoos. Let's see which tattoo we get. Here is one of the tattoo sheet. There's 5 princesses here. This is another sheet. There's 3 princesses, apple, butterfly, frog, a bunch of stuff. Here's another sheet with 4 princesses and their special symbol. A Cinderella character, frog, rose, shell. And it also comes with these individual tattoos. Ariel, Cinderella, Aurora, Snow White, and 3 princesses here. Belle, Rapunzel, Cinderella, Jasmine, Cinderella, Tiana, Rapunzel, Belle, and Snow White. I put one of the tattoo on the back of my hand. It's a genie bottle. This is from Aladdin. Let's put all the tattoos right here. I'm gonna grab something from the back. I found a carriage with Ariel on it. I found 2 figures from the Little Mermaid. This is Sebastian. He's a crab and he worked for King Trident. And this is Flounder. He is Ariel's best friend. Let's put them here next to Ariel. Let's check out this pop. This is an Ariel pop. It's number 27. Ariel is in her mermaid form and she has a big head, much different from this one. Which one do you guys like more? The Funko Pop or the regular Ariel? Let me know in the comment section. Let's put this Funko Pop Ariel next to the Princess Ariel. Let's see how many we have left. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5th one. This is Prince Eric and he's looking at something. See that? I guess the dog belonged to him, so let's put him next to the dog. Let's check out this Shopkins slap band. This is my second Shopkins slap band, and we have 3 Shopkins on it. I think these are from season 1. I'm not familiar with all of them yet, so I do not know their names. But a slap band, you can just slap it on your wrist and become a bracelet. So if you guys know the name of these Shopkins, let me know in the comment section. Let's put the slap band right here. I got a crashing surprise here. This is my very first crashing. Here's the checklist, and there's 30 dino crashing to collect. And we got this one. Is Rocket Raptor. Maybe he's about to shoot something from his mouth. Look like it's a rocket. Pretty cool. You guys like it? If you do, let me know so I can do more of these. I'm gonna put this question right here. Next, I'm gonna open the Frozen dog tag. There's 24 to collect. We got an Anna sticker. These are the 24 dog tags. I got an Elsa dog tag. This is number 9 of 24. This one is pretty shiny. Look at that. Let's put Elsa right here. And we have one more last surprise. This is Disney Pixar mashups. There's 6 to collect from this one. I'm hoping I get Buzz Lightyear or Mike. I was hoping I get Buzz Lightyear, and I actually got him. So that is pretty amazing. So let's do some mashup celebration. Backward. The butt. Let's put him right here.